Lexicon Prime here on another day as usual. Before we get into this video today, leave a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And with all that said, I'm here to bother Devin for a little while. Boogers. Boogers. Stop. No sleep. No sleeping. No. No. It is 12:12, Devin, and you're wanting to sleep. Already. In the morning. Well, actually, PM. And you're wanting to sleep already.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? No sleeping. At all.
No.
And you know what? And you know what? That goes for you too, Randy. No sleeping. No, 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 no sleeping, Devin. No, no sleeping. I said no sleeping. I said no sleeping. Hey, no sleeping.
No, hit me in my fucking nose.
No sleeping.
No.
No sleeping.
Sleep is a good
No. No sleep.
Sleep is a good thing.
No, sleep is a good thing, but it's not today.
Yeah, dude.
It's 12:12, Devin. No sleeping. Did you hear me?
No.
Of course not.
Stop it, fucking idiot.
Now, well, you kick me, you're gonna get that thing right. Oh. I said no sleeping.
Get out of my room.
No. No.
Out.
We got work to do.
Out.
No, we got work to do. No. Did you just growl at me? Boy, I'll slap you in the face. No sleeping! What's up, Mom? What are we having for breakfast?
Eggs.
Eggs? Sounds
Eggs
yummy.
and fries with pancakes.
I will take this, though. It's water. It's healthy for me. Okay. Off I go. Alright, off we go. And I have now arrived. And you're probably wondering why I'm here? Well, turns out this was a project we've been working on for quite a while. And we've got a little bit of done. But considering we're here, I can show you the progress of what we made on this. Because this has all been redone along with the other side. And along with the front too. And all we got left is that roof up there. And what we're going to do after that, well, probably at the same time while we're doing that, we are going to tear these sidings off, completely, all of them completely off until it kind of looks like that layer right there. But anyways, let's go check up on Randy and Mama. What's going on, Randy? Nothing?
They're building the trenches right now?
Yeah, these are all ferns. All you gotta do is take them out.
So we're gonna go. We probably need to get going here pretty soon. I'll move that fence this weekend.
You want to move it?
I want to get that fence. Move that. And where you gotta put it.
What?
Where'd you put that piece for the gate? I had you take off that board.
It's inside the house, I think. Oh, I got it. Randy.
Is this the other part, or is this a different one?
I think that's a different one, 'cause the other one was like cleaner. That one's like greenish.
Well, then there should be another one of these.
Somewhere in the house. I'm gonna put it. We're in the
So
garage.
that, if you got that one, then the one you took off that gate the other day, that board.
Yeah.
And then there was one in the house, so there should be one more. That'll make the hinges for our gate.
It's probably in the garage. The other one is.
Through here, next to the tree, so it grows straight.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy.
And look what we accomplished in one day. All this is cleared out. Almost. Got a long ways to go. We got a long ways to go before this house is even done, or even finished to be exact. The backyard, so far it's knocked out. Just got rid of get rid of the junk out of it, and it's good to go. Other than that, I think we're good. Nah, not really. We still got the inside to go. But so far I think we're done for the day. We're just packing things up, making sure everything is locked down before we leave. And I think we'll come back to you tomorrow.
Alright guys, it's second day for David being down here in Greenfield, and he is being, I guess, an ornery brat. He's in the bathroom right now, so yeah, sorry if the camera's so shaky. It's just so nice, but yeah. Yeah, this is a little room that's down here in Greenfield. That's my bed. This is David's bed. But yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing right there. But yeah, you know, see y'all later. Peace.
And we're in day 2. Boogie! What are you doing, bud?
I know what women want.
Of course, watching TV.
Newsflash.
We're going back to the house to finish.
Okay, what should we get first? Dance party. Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go back to the house and work on it some more for today. And after that, I'm not sure what else we're gonna do for the rest of the whole day. Surprisingly, this camera's still lasting us for a while.
Ho ho ho. He hit the bottom and I hold on to the side. Boing boing. Oh.
Dude, Mom, your pop's hot.
before we sign off on this video, leave a like. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And with all that said, we'll catch you in the next one.